everyone, today I am with Xiaomi 11T Pro and I will show you how you can customize Always On Display theme. How you can change it basically. So we have to open the settings, find Always On Display and the lock screen, select Always On Display, and here we can change theme. So we can pick signature, analog and digital clock. We can also pick the default background. If you want to go for this one, just go here and tap apply. You can also add your own picture by tapping here, select from the gallery, and here we can adjust size of this photo. So I would like to make it like that, for example. We can also reverse colors, change text color, change clock position, and enable items. Take a look. That's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.